Get your blowers ready. So good. You bring all the air in. Dang it. All right, we're getting into the holiday spirit here at Sparks Motors. You've seen the trend that's going around the internet. Everybody gets in their cars and they cover them in lights. Roman Atwood covers helicopter in lights. Well, guess what? The Pete is feeling left out. So we're heading to the store. We're going to get about 3,000 feet of Christmas lights, and we're going to cover the Pete Christmas lights. And if you watch the Heavy D vlog channel, if you don't, you should. But we got this trailer that had this beautiful white Christmas tree in it, along with a bunch of porcelain dolls and Christmas decorations. And it still works. So here's the vision. We outline the truck in Christmas lights. We cover them. Christmas lights right here in between the axles and this beautiful, you know, open space. The white Christmas tree goes here in all of its glory. We wrap the Zack lift in Christmas lights. We changed the horn to jingle bells. Probably not really gonna happen. And then we hit the open road. Maybe a blow up Santa on top too. What do you think? Anyway, we gotta hurry. You wanna come to Walmart with me? Plug for Walmart? You wanna come to Walmart? Maybe we'll go somewhere else. Who knows? Let's go. You ever get that? You ever like park a car and then when you're walking into the store, you see a better spot up front? Do you ever go back to your car and move it up? But by the time you get to your car and move it up, someone's already taken the spot and then you lose both spots? Advent calendar. Is that the Grinch butt? Sure is. Oh, skater rolls? Yeah, step up my elf game.
I'm as cuddly as a cactus. I'm as charming as an eel.
Should we get that?
Don't touch him with a 40-foot pole.
Should we get that and put a I hate hands shirt?
Cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as an eel. Mr. Crazy Blackbeard.
We're getting Hans' professional opinion. He's the lighting expert. Or do I need to go something like these big guys? Oh, it's got the truck with the tree in the back. That's the one. Okay. All right, it's party time. First things first, pick your outfit, elves. The best part is, like, now I can put the lights in here and just take them around the truck. Tool belt. Lights on. Yeah, it's a tool belt. Nice. Yeah.
I don't have one. It's okay. But I have the cool,
It's okay.
cool reindeer.
What we're gonna do first, outline, and we also got a bunch of just solid red ones. What if we did the red line red? You think that's a good idea? Bad idea?
Good idea.
It's good. You want to
guy.
be the red guy? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's start with the reds.
And then what do I do? Colors? Colors follow the body line?
Whatever you want. Do you want to have fun and put on a sweater, or do you want to just stay in your Western Welder jersey, which is pretty cool?
I think it's very cool.
It is very cool.
But
And it's festive. You got green. Not
Yeah.
festive as us, maybe not.
Kind of like those better.
Yeah, I kind of like these ones better too. We'll start with these ones, and then if we
Okay.
run out, there's only 6 rolls,
have-
but there's 100 feet each. Because we're gonna do white on the gray, and maybe we do those first, and then we'll do colors last. That way we can work our way around it. Never done this before, so I have no way of helping you.
It doesn't belong anywhere near anyone's front door or out of the storage until after Thanksgiving. People are not thankful for things in life, and so they're just like, oh, I want to get to the holiday where people are supposed to give me stuff. I want gimme stuff.
Did you give him his sweater?
Yeah, grab it. Bah humbug.
I'm perfectly fine with that. I hate this holiday. I hate this holiday. I am perfectly fine with this. This is my spirit animal. Diesel's spreading about Christmas right now. Apart from me hating Diesel at the moment, I don't hate you. I really like this idea. Alan, this is the most technical thing we need from you. I need you to go
over there looking pretty?
No, I need you to go talk with Diesel and find out where you need to start.
But you got to put a sweater on if you're gonna do it though.
I do?
Yeah, here you go, right here. Yeah, you might be an alpaca guy, Al.
What's an alpaca?
Or is that a llama?
Oh, llama? I'd be an animal, you're saying? Of course, yes. Sometimes I am.
You enjoy. I'm gonna finish our giveaway for tomorrow. Oh my gosh.
Thank you. Hey. Okay, what do we got here?
Bunch of lights.
Got a pattern going here.
Thought I saw a pattern and then it kind of just went nuts everywhere. Did you get the medium one?
It's medium. All right.
That's why I didn't grab one. It looked like a sausage casing.
Buddy, you don't look like a sausage casing.
With that one on,
Okay, so where do you want the plug to end? Leave your mail in down here.
So do we want to this is the colored, go straight up and then over?
Yeah, he's gonna bring red right
Or
through here.
go do something like this and then up and then come back down.
That'll work right there. Because he's bringing all red right through here. So it can do one line right through the middle of the red. That's fine. I'll just tape there. We rallied the troops because we're like 2 hours till the sun goes down. As you can see, it took us about 2 hours just to do the gray and the red stripe. So we have all hands on deck, all tape on deck, all lights on deck. We're gonna get this done. Hey, where's your Christmas sweater?
No one gave me one.
Oh man, sorry, dude. I bought a whole bunch extra and now they're gone. I'll get you one. You want this one?
Caleb,
Cat?
Caleb took his and then walked away with it.
Oh, get Caleb over here.
His is the Grinch. Put on their cat sweater.
Get it all sweaty. And,
Ooh, that's nice.
man, you look good. Oh yeah.
We've even recruited Zach, who made those the die-cast mini versions of our trucks. He just happened to be here showing me the version of this, and now I've recruited him to work. We've got all the elves full steam ahead, working on Santa's sleigh, and it's like it's Christmas night. It's like we gotta go deliver presents, because when the sun goes down, it's game on. We're getting a little taste of the North Pole here.
What's your taping technique?
Well, you see, I like to do a little flap right here when we take off. But you never know, if you win, maybe you won't want us to take it off, but it's precautionary. And I can find a nice gap in between lights, so you get as much contact on the surface as possible. But at the same time, we ain't got time to mess around. The sun's going down, so it's like a hurry up and tape. Probably not the cleanest tape job, but at nighttime, clear tape. White truck, you ain't gonna see the tape. You're just gonna see the lights in all their glory. Who feels festive? Everybody feel festive? I should've got, yeah, feels good, right? I should've got more Christmas sweaters. No, note to self, next year, more Christmas sweaters.
Dave just released a video right now, actually as we speak, it just got released, of this trailer we purchased with a bunch of, some would call it stuff, I call it garbage, but once in a while it comes in handy. What do I see here? I see fake snow. Also, I'm gonna create a full-fledged nativity scene back there on the, the deck. Halloween house? Pass. That's probably something. Those are just Christmas lights. Oh. Still good. Sure, people are like really mad right now. They're like, that's really cool stuff, and my grandma would really like that. I'm sure your grandma would. You know who else would like it? Me. Tell your grandma to shut up. Oh yeah, we got bridges, walkways, we got street lamps. Oh yeah, those are freaking money. I'm sure Dave's planning to sell all this stuff. Well, sorry David. Yeah, this is gonna be a good little addition. I haven't seen anybody else do this. The tree will go like right here, then the little nativity scene will go right here. Shouldn't say it's a nativity scene, but it's a little scene.
Feast your eyes. You saw working a second ago. No, I spent over $900 in lights, okay? What I want to know from you right now, how many light bulbs do you think there are? Go ahead, in the comments below, take a guess. How many light bulbs are lighting up this beautiful truck? And no, there's some extras that hands through in here too, so it's not, you can't just do the math from what I did at Walmart. You gotta then figure out how many more I put on from hands, how many the Christmas tree has. Good luck, my friends. Winner gets one of these. Here's the backside. We got a Christmas tree with the Zach lift boom out and the Grinch. You have all these lights right here on the Zach lift, spilling out Zach lift that blink and do all sorts of awesome things. Your fenders are covered, your frame's covered. Hands built this awesome village with snow. And you know what? I'm just gonna give you a peek over here because the other side you can see the Grinch from the front, you can see the village, but check out that skull piece. LED light from the front. We bought like $950 worth of light, plus another $200 for my hands, so we're over $1,000 in light. And we are completely covered. Here's a better look at the village. Hands crush that village. Another Zach lift here, and then here, this is the best part. Boom. He's a mean one.
Hey.
See? Oh. Got all the boys together, plus some. Even had guys come from all the way up in Logan, up in Bear Lake area. I should have bought more Christmas sweaters. That's all I learned. Hope you enjoyed this walk around selfie. Rate it, 1 to 10. 10 being awesome.
My friends, here we go. We're gonna pull this bad boy out.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. We finally get to find out who won the Peterbilt. About to bring in the whole crew, but before I do, let me tell you how it's gonna go down. What we have here is this beautiful setup of Christmas decorations. We've lit some holiday decor, these candles. What's gonna happen is I have 10 finalist names. So I'm bringing in 9 guys plus myself, that's 10 people, and we will have a contest. You'll sit here. You cannot pass the threshold of this table, and you must blow with all your might to see how many candles you can blow out. The person who blows out the most candles will claim victory to the Peterbilt for the person they represent. And if by chance there's a tie, there will be a blow-off, and we will decide the winner. The victor will be crowned today. Are you ready? Peterbilt time!
Aaron Jordan.
Number 7.
Jaikarta Singh.
4.
William Zimmerman.
And number 5.
Wayne Waterhouse.
Number 10. Number 10.
Tim Luzerder. Number 9.
9.
Nicholas Muzzy.
Muzzy.
6.
6. Brandon Huntington.
Manuel Rodriguez!
Number 2. Wesley Snipes. No matter win or lose, Wesley, we're going for it.
It is Ocho.
Rick Atkins.
Rick Atkins.
Rick Atkins. Now, Manuel Rodriguez. Ready? Do not cross this line or you're disqualified. Hey, we gotta do it again. No, you did. Your chin was right here. Guys, if you cross the line, I'll punch you in the face. How many did we get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Aaron Jordan. Dwayne Waterhouse. Nice. What? You got all 12? Jaikarta Singh, number 7. Number 9. Now 7. Number 2, Wesley Snipes. Wesley Snipes, number 2. All right, Al Pal, you got it. Don't let White Chris get in your head, okay?
Yeah.
Wesley.
Yeah, Alan.
Wesley, okay? Do it for Wesley,
Yeah. Don't think
okay?
about me, Al.
Wesley.
Yeah.
Whisper it,
Chris
Wesley.
is better than you.
Alan. Don't mess
Whoa, Wesley! Yeah! William Zimmerman. Whoa! Number 6, Brandon Huntington. It's all right. It's all right. Rick Atkins. Oh, this is great. Be the candle. Dude, you got it. Rick.
Blow that laser out of your body, amigo.
Look at this. I don't cross this.
No. This line. Yeah. All right. Knew you.
Sorry.
Oh, you tried to use Alan's technique.
The laser, man. I got to my lungs today. I'm sorry, Rick.
Zerder. Lizarder.
Oh, the same. Ooh, oh, 5. You only got 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a blow off. We have a blow off between William, Dwayne, and Wesley. Can you come on up?
This is the blow-off challenge. We have aligned the candles in a single file line. Each contestant will come and scream the name of their contestant. And whoever blows out the most candles in a line, that will be the winner. Wesley Simmons! Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
William Zimmerman.
Okay, how many we get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how many, right?
Dwayne Waterhouse.
That's great.
Oh, this guy stuck in on you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, all in one breath. Just Merry Christmas. No stopping and inhaling.
right.
One exhale. William Zimmerman, are you gonna win it?
Merry Christmas.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Merry Christmas!
4. But he crossed the plane.
Oh, I did?
You crossed the plane.
Oh, sorry.
All right, you can't move forward anymore.
Okay.
So you're doing it from right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Merry Christmas!
William! Oh, man. Pretty good. Oh. Number 4. William Zimmerman!
William Zimmerman, you just won the Peterbilt. Merry Christmas!
Your call has been forwarded to...
Hey, William.
Yes, sir.
Can I FaceTime you real quick? This is Caleb from Sparks Motors.
Yes, sir.
All right, give me 1 second. Dude, are you driving right now? That's freaking sweet. Hey, got someone who wants to talk to you.
What up, my guy?
Oh, what's happening?
Just hanging out. What are you doing? Where are you driving to?
Right now I'm in Nashville, man, in my 379.
You 379. I think it's pretty nice. What year is it?
04.
04. It's a good year.
Yes, sir.
Do you think a red and white one would look better, though? A 2000?
Wait a minute, say that again?
Oh, I just wondered if you thought it would look better. I didn't say you want it.
What did you say, though? Say it.
I was saying we were here playing a game. Everybody had a name, and yours just happened to end up on the top. So you, my friend, won the Peterbilt. Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, man. The only thing better than 1 379 is 2, right?
That's